The aging population is likely to boost wearable tech stocks. Over the longer term, many wearable tech stocks can benefit from increased demand for wearables. Garmin. Garmin leads the way in wearables for outdoor, athletic activities. QuickLogic. Incorporating artificial intelligence, QuickLogic can change the wearables industry for good. Augmedix. Augmedix is bringing back the Google Glass to help doctors. Let's dive in. Here are the 3 must-watch wearable tech stocks as the industry booms. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. Wearables are becoming very popular because many consumers are using them to monitor their progress during exercise and to track their health. Deloitte has estimated that the sales of wearable devices for the medical sector will jump to 440 million devices next year from 275 million devices in 2021. And this year, 184 million smartwatches are expected to be sold, up 16% versus 2022. Many wearable tech stocks can benefit from the greatly increased demand. And, over the longer term, easing inflation and a boom in consumer spending will only contribute to this trend. Also, over the longer term, as more highly computer-literate consumers age in the US and Europe, the demand for smartwatches that can monitor health is indeed likely to soar, producing a wearable tech boom. Here are 3 of the top wearable tech stocks to watch now. Number 1. Garmin. When it comes to wearables, Garmin specializes in selling devices for specific types of outdoor activities, such as swimming, golf, and hiking. I believe that during the pandemic, Americans became more health conscious and more attached to outdoor activities. Consequently, I think that many more Americans will become devoted to outdoor, athletic hobbies, and that over the longer term, that trend will be very positive for Garmin and Garmin stock. Garmin, however, needs to do more to promote its outdoor watches, as its sales from those devices sank 27% year-over-year in the first quarter. However, first quarter is probably the worst seasonal period for smartwatch sales as the weather is cold and the holiday season has just ended. Moreover, the shares are changing hands for a reasonable forward price-to-earnings ratio of 19.2x and carry an attractive dividend yield of 3%. After analyzing Garmin's finances, the firm's dividend is safe, and given the fact that the company has developed highly specialized products in a growing space, the company could become a takeover target. With multiple ways for Garmin stock to become a winner, it is one of the best wearable tech stocks to buy now. Number 2. QuickLogic. A developer of semiconductors and artificial intelligence technologies, QuickLogic is a small company that focuses on a few very large markets, including wearables. QuickLogic appears to have developed a number of highly innovative products for the wearable space. For example, it has created an ultra-low-power, context-aware sensor hub for wearables. It has also launched software called SenseML Analytics Toolkit that can be used to develop products which can be attached to wearables and measure various real-life metrics. SenseML was actually a separate company that QuickLogic acquired back in 2019. SenseML software is being used to help create artificial intelligence systems. In February, QuickLogic reported that SenseML recently signed a significant deal with a top-tier semiconductor company to integrate a SenseML-powered solution to address its own customers' demand for AI in its chips. QuickLogic has a reasonable forward price-to-sales ratio of about 4x, and analysts, on average, expect its sales to climb a hefty 30% this year. Number 3. Augmedix. Augmedix has reconfigured Google Glass, Alphabet's connected glasses that the tech giant has scrapped, to become a device for doctors. Using the product, doctors can talk with and examine their patients while simultaneously talking to human transcribers who write down their conclusions. These transcribers can also access the audio and video feed of the doctor-patient interaction. Insider Intelligence explains that the product allows doctors to better connect with their patients and enhances the quality of doctors' documentation efforts. Encouragingly, Augmedix's top line climbed to nearly $31 million last year from $22.16 million in 2021, while its gross profit rose to nearly $14 million from $10 million. The shares trade at a fairly low price-to-sales ratio of 2.15x. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.